In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove pages from a PDF document online using I Love PDF website. Let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and type remove pages from a PDF online. Then navigate to the I Love PDF website. Click on the select PDF files to upload the PDF document from which you want to remove pages. You can also drag and drop your file directly onto the web page. Once your file is uploaded, you will see thumbnails of all the pages displayed on the screen. Click on the pages you want to remove. Click on this button to remove the selected pages from your PDF document. After the pages are removed, click on Download. Then you can save the new PDF file to your computer. There you have it. You have successfully removed pages from your PDF document using I Love PDF.